Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. On Friday, Rob, we do financial tips. Today we are focusing on short selling. So the big question for viewers, what is it?
Yeah, we talked about it yesterday a little bit in the short squeeze. I referenced the short squeeze. So short selling, you may have heard this. You may have heard the expression, I'm shorting that stock, or I don't believe in that company. I want to short it, or I'm not going long, I'm going short. You're effectively borrowing a security, and then you're selling it in the open market. The plan is that you're going to buy it back at some point down the line for a lower price. So in theory, you're expecting that the stock is going to drop in value. Therefore, you profit if there's a drop. Now, this is obviously extremely speculative, Gabby, and it's not for the faint of heart because as we know, and as I've talked about many times on the show, stocks over time, they increase in value. So you're really going against the trend to do that, and it's not cheap and it's not without risk.
So let's talk about those risks. What are they, Rob?
Well, the big risk, obviously, is that the stock continues to appreciate in price or goes up later, and you have actually unlimited losses. Unlike buying a stock, if you put 10 grand in a stock and it goes to zero, the most you could lose is 10 grand. If you're shorting a stock, you're borrowing 10 grand, you're selling that company, you're buying the stock, you're selling it. But if the stock doubles or triples or quadruples or does a Tesla or a Netflix or a NEO, you have unlimited losses on the upside. And the stock could potentially never come back to the price that you've set for it. So you could also get caught in a short squeeze, which is why all the short sellers are selling at the same time, and you just cannot get out of your position. So not for the faint of heart. And again, I've been asked a lot about this, which is why we're talking about it today on the show.
So before we let you go, what do viewers need to know about short selling?
Okay, so my view on this is 99.999% of people should never have to worry about this. What they should worry about is what it says on my t-shirt, which is effectively eat, sleep, invest, repeat. All right, you need to put some money aside. You need to focus on how much money can you save, do that monthly, and focus on the long term and not the noise, the short term. You know, what Gabby's watching on Billions every week is not the real world, right? So the short selling is not necessary. Stay away, stay focused, and continue to have a long-term plan.
Gabby needs to stop binging TV. Let's see, Rob, your shirt's made, and let's take a quick look at those Grimoire reports.
The dollar's down about half a penny to 78.59. The future's down 168 to 30,741. If we take a look at gold, it's down $7 to 18.39, and oil is down 55 cents to 53.02.
That's our financial guy, Rob Tate from Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. Still have your coming from.